oops, some are flying back towards the roof. But by the time I put the camera back on to see them, they're flying away again. I guess it's, I can only seem to get this at an angle. I guess that it's, let's see. I'm not aiming very good here today. I'm guessing the cars keep scaring them away. Oh, there's some more flying back. They cook in this. This is a Market Basket, a grocery store, and they cook in this one. So I'm guessing the birds keep flowing back right in this area to let's see if I can get them here to get some heat. Because even though it's not real cold, it's still kind of cool. The air is kind of nippy. So I'm sure that that's why the cars scare them. The door slamming, the trunk slamming, what have you. And then they fly back to try and get in the heat. I would guess they have a vent for heat or smoke outside of the roof somewhere. Because there's a bunch of them this morning. Let's see if I can get some on the other side. No, most of them are on one side. And my camera will only make them so big. And then I just sort of lose the focus of them. And they're always kind of shuffling around. I guess they're shuffling like for position.